Hello everyone and welcome to Island Technologies presentation on ACS2 reporting. My name is Ashutosh Sabharwal and I'm a network engineer at Island Technology. I will be presenting how to run different types of reports through VigorACS2. Before we start, let's first discuss a brief introduction about VigorACS2. VigorACS2 stands for Advanced Centralized Management System for Network Administrators. VigorACS2 is a TR069 based centralized management system for remotely managing the DrayTek Vigor devices. TR069 is an application layer bidirectional SOAP, HTTP and HTTPS based protocol. It allows system and network administrators to remotely configure, monitor and manage their DrayTek devices. The user-friendly interface has responsive display and can be deployed on a variety of devices such as PCs, tablets, or phones. Here we will talk about the prerequisites required at client machine to run ACS2 reports. To run the reports through ACS2, the web browser can be Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer, or Edge, and it requires 64-bit operating system with Windows 7, 8, or 10. ACS2 reporting also supports 64-bit OpenSUSE, Unix, and Linux distribution version with OpenJDK or MariaDB. If you have nodes greater than equal to 5000, it's recommended to use Linux Server than Windows Server. Let's get started and have a look at reporting through live VigorACS2 system. This is the login page for ACS2. Log in with the correct credentials. Remember, don't try too many false attempts as it might lock you out for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the dashboard page which displays brief and quick overview information for the devices managed by ACS2. For reports, we need to go to System menu and then to Reports. Under Reports, we can find two types of reports: Report Task and Reports. Let's discuss each report one by one. Report Task is a scheduler task which allows us to run different types of reports and receive them through email. Before I show you how to run the report task, we need to enable email notification in our profile. Let me show you through a live system. Go to User and then to User Management. Look for your username and then select and click on it. We need to enable Email Notify and enter the email address and description. Once done, click on Save. You will see a check mark on the Mail Notify under your name. This means email notification is enabled for this user. Now let's see how to schedule report task. For report task, we need to click on Add Report Task. Make sure the task is enabled. Before giving the task title, select which type of report you want to run from 6 different types of reports, and then give the name to the task's title. Let us run the firmware report by selecting Firmware and Firmware Overview. Next, under Run Report, you will find two options: Once or Repeat. With Once, you can schedule it now or later. If you select Later, then you need to mention the date and time. On the other hand, if you select Repeat, then click on Edit to make the changes. Under Repeats, it gives you an option to run it daily, weekly, or monthly, and the days you want to make it run. Lastly, you need to select the start, date and time and click on Done. In this case, let's run the report once and select Now. We need to enter the subject of the email, email from, email content, and email to. You can also add more recipients if you like. Once done, click on Save. You will see the scheduled report to be available in the task. Let's wait for the report to be received through email. Here we go. As we can see, we have received the email with the attachment in PDF, and it has the complete detail of firmware version for all the devices controlled by VigorACS 2. Now we will have a look at the Reports option. Reports option is used when we need to have real-time reports for the devices controlled by VigorACS 2. Let's run it through a live system. To create a particular report, we need to click on Create Report. From this window, we need to select one of the report from 6 different types of reports. In this scenario, let's run the traffic report and select WAN statistics. Next, we need to select the devices. By default, it's all, but we can select a particular device for which we need to run the report. We will select all and make sure all the devices are checked. And finally, we will hit Query. This is the WAN statistic report, which shows the data sent and received on WAN ports. Let's try to create another report by selecting Network and IP Overview. And finally, let's hit Query. This report will show you all the LAN and WAN IPs for all the devices controlled by VigorACS 2. All the reports that you may run will be displayed under one page, but you may lose the reports if you move away from this page. VigorACS 2 also allows you to either download them in PDF or print them directly. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website www.draytek.com.au, or you can email us on sales@draytek.com.au.